Right, I've got a new contraption. Look, it's flat. It's not circular. It's flat. It's called, I'll tell you what it's called. It's called the Spectrum flat oval shaped ceramic wand to create beautiful loose waves, not curls, waves. Right, so I've been using it here. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use it. So get a piece of hair. It's about two sort of centimeters wide. Put it under it, and then just wrap it around it. I'll leave the ends out. Oh, not like that. I'll leave the ends out. A couple of seconds, pull it out, and you get that. Put it down so it's not too tight. You get that. Remember that wave like that rather than a ringlet. Yeah. Let's do another one. This was 28 quid. I mean, you can get these waves with a round tong. I've shown you how to do that. You just have to twist the hair in a slightly different way. But can you see it's more zigzaggy? I'd still pull that down a bit just to get more loose, kind of. That's it, like that. Just so you've got, it's like a bit of a kink in the middle of the hair. Okay, so don't hold it on too long or it'll be really tight. Cut my fringe today as well. Okay, put the top layer down and then just start picking up random bits. I'm still twisting it as I go round actually, just because I'm in the habit of doing that. I don't think it makes a massive difference. Yeah. I wouldn't hold it on too long because you might get a sort of a square, a square kink in it. Just wrap it around like normal, like you would, like that. Keeping the hair flat. In my head, I'm counting to 3 slowly, like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. So you don't need to twist it as you go round. I think that's the whole purpose, is that you haven't got to do anything fancy with it. You just wrap the hair smooth, flatly around the shaft. That's it. And let it go. Pull it out. Always pull it out. Just gives a bit of movement. It's kind of got that messy, wavy look, which is what we're all after. Those natural looks always take the longest to actually create. That's the funny thing. So I'll just do this side and I'll show you the finished bit. Bye.